Some people spend their entire lives trying to get lean. Others seem to stay lean without making it look difficult. They enjoy vacations, eat dessert at birthday parties, and go out to dinner with friends. Yet year after year, they maintain a healthy weight while everyone around them seems to be starting another diet. At first it looks like luck. Maybe they have better genetics. Maybe they have a faster metabolism. Maybe they simply have more discipline. But if you look closer, you'll notice something else. They don't rely on discipline nearly as much as they rely on habits. Healthy choices have become so automatic that they no longer feel like work. They've built a lifestyle where the healthy choice is usually the easiest choice. That's the real secret to staying lean. It isn't about finding the perfect workout or the perfect meal plan. It's about building habits that continue working long after motivation fades. Today, we're looking at 7 habits shared by people who stay lean for years. None of them are extreme, but together they create a lifestyle where staying lean feels natural instead of exhausting. As we go through this list, don't ask yourself how to change everything. Ask yourself one simple question: which habit can I start today? Because one habit, repeated consistently, can completely change where you are a year from now. Let's begin. Habit number 1. They build a lifestyle, not a diet. The biggest difference between people who stay lean and those who constantly lose and regain weight isn't what they eat. It's how they think about food. Many people treat healthy eating like a temporary project. They follow strict rules, lose weight, then slowly return to the same habits that caused the problem in the first place. People who stay lean don't live in that cycle. Instead of asking, "How fast can I lose weight?" they ask a better question: "How can I eat in a way I'll still enjoy next year?" That one shift changes everything. Their meals focus on lean protein, vegetables, fruit, whole grains, and healthy fats. But they also make room for pizza, dessert, vacations, and celebrations. Nothing is completely off limits, because they understand one indulgent meal won't undo months of healthy habits, just as one healthy meal won't transform their body overnight. Their goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. When your nutrition is sustainable, healthy choices stop feeling like something you have to force. They simply become part of your life. Habit number 2. They fuel their body with purpose. People who stay lean don't obsess over every calorie, but they rarely eat without intention. Most meals follow a simple formula: protein, whole foods, and water. Protein helps preserve muscle while keeping you full longer. Whole foods provide the nutrients your body needs to perform well. And drinking more water often replaces sugary drinks that quietly add hundreds of unnecessary calories each week. Notice what they aren't doing. They're not weighing every meal. They're not stressing over every bite. Instead, they've built a routine that naturally supports their goals. The result is better energy, fewer cravings, and healthier decisions that become almost automatic. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. Most of the time, it's simply repeating a few smart choices over and over again. Habit number 3. They move more than they sit. Exercise matters, but people who stay lean understand something many people miss. The hour you spend working out is important. The other 23 hours matter too. They look for opportunities to move throughout the day. They take the stairs, walk while talking on the phone, park farther away, take a walk after dinner, stand instead of sitting whenever possible. None of those choices seem important on their own. Together, they add thousands of extra steps every week while keeping the body active long after the workout ends. That daily movement supports circulation, joint health, energy levels, and overall calorie expenditure. Eventually, movement stops feeling like exercise. It simply becomes part of everyday life. And that's a powerful shift. Exercise is something you schedule. Movement is part of your identity. If you're looking for one habit to start today, make it a 10-minute walk after dinner. It's simple, it's sustainable, and it's one of the easiest habits to maintain for years. 3 habits in, and you may notice something. None of them require extreme workouts or restrictive diets. That's because lasting results rarely come from dramatic changes. They come from small decisions repeated consistently. In the next section, we'll cover the habits that help people build muscle, recover better, and make healthy choices easier, even during life's busiest seasons. Habit number 4, they build muscle that lasts. When people decide to lose weight, cardio is usually the first thing they think about. More running, more cycling, more time on the treadmill. Cardio is valuable, but people who stay lean understand that strength training deserves just as much attention. Muscle is one of your greatest long-term investments. It helps you stay strong, supports a healthy metabolism, and makes everyday life easier, from carrying groceries to climbing stairs without getting winded. As we age, muscle naturally declines unless we work to maintain it. That's why resistance training becomes a regular part of their routine. Not because they're trying to become bodybuilders, because they want a body that's capable, one that keeps performing well for decades. The good news is, you don't need to spend hours in the gym. 2 to 4 quality strength workouts each week are enough to build and maintain muscle when you're consistent. People who stay lean don't chase exhaustion. They build strength that lasts. Habit number 5. They protect their recovery. There's one habit that quietly influences every other habit on this list. Sleep. Think about the last time you got very little rest. You probably craved more sugary foods, your patience was lower, your workouts felt harder, and healthy decisions suddenly became much more difficult. That's not a lack of discipline. It's your body asking for recovery. Quality sleep helps regulate appetite, supports muscle repair, improves focus, and gives you the energy to make better choices throughout the day. People who stay lean understand something many people overlook. Recovery isn't separate from fitness. Recovery is part of fitness. They make sleep a priority because they know tomorrow's choices depend on how well they recover today. You don't need a perfect nighttime routine. But going to bed at a consistent time and giving yourself enough sleep can make every healthy habit easier to maintain. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do for your fitness isn't another workout. It's getting a better night's sleep. Habit number 6. They design their environment for success. Willpower has limits. Your environment doesn't. People who stay lean don't expect themselves to make perfect decisions every hour of every day. Instead, they make healthy decisions easier. They keep nutritious foods where they're easy to see. They prepare meals before busy weeks. They carry a water bottle. They schedule workouts on their calendar instead of hoping they'll find time. At the same time, they make less healthy choices slightly less convenient. Not because those foods are forbidden, but because convenience often determines what we choose. This principle applies to almost every healthy habit. If your workout clothes are already waiting, you're more likely to exercise. If healthy snacks are prepared, you're more likely to eat them. If every decision depends on motivation, eventually motivation runs out. People who stay lean understand that success isn't built on constant self-control. It's built on creating an environment that naturally supports the life they want. 6 habits in, a clear pattern starts to emerge. Staying lean isn't about making one extraordinary decision. It's about making ordinary decisions so consistently that they become automatic. In the final section, we'll look at the one habit that ties everything together and why lasting transformation begins the moment healthy living becomes part of your identity. One of the biggest mistakes people make is believing they have to be perfect. One unhealthy meal becomes an unhealthy weekend. One missed workout turns into a missed week. Before long, they convince themselves they've failed and promise to start again on Monday. People who stay lean think differently. They don't expect perfection, they expect life. There will be birthdays, vacations, late nights, busy work weeks, unexpected dinners with friends. None of those moments determine your results. What matters is what you do next. Your body responds to patterns, not isolated moments. That's why people who stay lean don't waste time feeling guilty. They simply return to their routine. The next healthy meal, the next walk, the next workout. Think of it like driving to a destination. If you miss one exit, you don't abandon the trip. You take the next exit and keep moving forward. Healthy living works the same way. The faster you return to your habits, the less any setback matters. Over time, something even more important begins to happen. Healthy choices stop feeling like things you have to do. They become part of who you are. There's a huge difference between saying, "I'm trying to get healthy," and saying, "I'm someone who takes care of my body." One is temporary. The other is identity. Every workout becomes a vote for the person you're becoming. Every balanced meal reinforces that identity. Every walk, every good night's sleep, every healthy decision strengthens the belief that this is simply how you live. Eventually, discipline becomes less important because your habits are no longer driven by motivation. They're driven by identity. And identity is incredibly powerful. If you remember one thing from this video, let it be this. Staying lean isn't about finding the perfect diet. It isn't about discovering the perfect workout. And it isn't about having unlimited willpower. It's about building habits that become so natural they no longer feel like effort. So don't try to change everything this week. Choose one habit, practice it until it becomes automatic, then build the next. A year from now, you won't just have a healthier body, you'll have a healthier lifestyle, and that's a transformation that lasts. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Elevate Human for practical fitness strategies that help you build strength, lose fat, and create habits you can maintain for life. Every week, we break down simple, effective ways to help you become stronger, healthier, and more capable. Until next time, remember, small habits, consistent action, extraordinary results. Keep elevating.